Everyone, welcome back to the channel where I get a little everything Jamaican. I'm Michelle and with me is my husband Marcel, and this morning we are at Joy. But before we speak to Joy, please remember to like, to share and to subscribe to the channel so once we post a new video you will be updated. So from my background you can see that it's really early in the morning. This is unlike us, but the circumstances call for it because Joy is normally at work and we normally come on a Thursday, but when we came last Thursday to make a presentation to her, she was not home, right? So we came this morning because we were saying that, you know, she have to go to work early, so we want to catch her before she go to work so we can do the presentation. So we are here now, only to find out that, you know, Joy is no longer working, which we didn't know because when we try to get Joy on the phone, it's a hard task. We've never spoken on the phone because her phone just ring and don't answer, you know, but we're here with her this morning. Joy, morning, how you do?
Well, give God thanks and praise. We get up and take some medication because I'm not feeling well. When I hand the job, I always feel a lot of pain in my back, in my side, my belly, every part of me. So I go to the doctor last week Tuesday, and they give me some medication to take. Yes, so they say as soon as we don't take the medication, them we must go and do some blood test and urine test to see if the chemicals then when we are using damage anything inside of me. So I was showing the doctors my fingers because I want treatment for my fingers. So they say they cannot treat my finger until when I take off this medication and do the blood test, they can treat me for my fingers. So I'm not feeling well, so I just get up in the morning to take my medication. This is some of my medication. I just get up and I hear someone call me. So when I peeped through the grill, I saw Marcel and Michelle in the morning. So I came up to the road now to speak to them and let them know that I am not working anymore. They fire me after when I'm working for 2 years and 7 months. They say I'm not cleaning them place properly and on fungus on their wall. So they wrote me a letter and fired me and said they will pay me for 2 weeks. So I came up the road now to talk to them.
Okay, so that's the news that greeted us this morning. You know, unfortunately or fortunately, we don't know, as we don't know what, you know, God has in store, but we are encouraging you, you know, because sometimes one door closes and another will open, you know. But we can't see Jody, guys, and this is the reason. Jody didn't allow Joy to sleep well last night. She was up giving trouble. Joy would have to tell you what kind of trouble, but Joy didn't get much rest last night because Jody was up. So now she's sleeping, so we told her that, you know, we'll just stay right here and do the interview. Plus we don't want to pass the dogs that are right at the front making noise.
But I normally put the dog in the back. When we know you guys are coming, we always put the dog in the back. But the reason being why we put the dog in the front, we know we are human and I don't live with a man. So when the dog is in the front of the yard, anyone came down into the yard, the dog let me know. So that's why I keep them in the front.
Yes, we understand that. All right, so Joy, we just want to make a presentation to you this morning. We have 3 donors, 3 anonymous donors. One person is from in December because it was so difficult to get to you because you have to wait until that Thursday when you're available. And so, you know, we just didn't, Christmas came and then New Year's and so on. But we're here this morning, thanks be to God. And so this anonymous donor, she sent a donation for us to buy snacks. Hi, good morning. How are you?
I don't want Jody to bad no help this man. No one Jody for bad.
Yes, Jody bad we up real bad the last time we came about snacks and so on. And so this donor saw and she said, you know what, just sending something for you to buy some snacks for Jody. So this is Jody's snacks, right?
Thank you very much.
Yes.
Thank you and thank you, donors. Thanks everyone. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. All right, and so we have an anonymous donor who wanted us to get you groceries, and so we bring the
right in the time of needs. This is today make 2 weeks we stop work, but God provide, and He will always provide. I thank you guys so much. Thank you, many thanks. I really appreciate it. Thank you.
You're welcome, Joy, and we bring you some water too.
Thank you very much.
All right, and then we have a third donor who sent donation for you. She will give you afterwards. All right.
Yes.
So we just want to bless up all our donors. Thanks to you very much, and we pray, like I always say, we pray that your store basket may never be empty. We thank you for supporting the work that we do and blessing us so that we can bless others. All right, so Joy, if you don't have nothing more to say, because I know
I
it's
thank
early.
everyone. I thank everyone who assists me, and Jody, thank you very much. I want to big up all my friends. I'm not gonna call on the names, but you know who be. Yes. All right. I want to big up a lady by the name of Miss G and her husband named Chris. Big up Miss G and Chris. All right, and everyone who assists me.
Yes.
Many thanks. All right, me lose my work, but I don't lose my life. I know the Lord will provide. And as I just said, I would try to buy my little things them to go and sell to take care of my daughter and myself.
Yes.
So me now make it get me down. Because God is able.
Yes.
Thank you very much. And I love you guys. Love you.
I love you too.
Yes.
All right, guys. So,
and I thank Marcel and Auntie Michelle for, because if I never know, when me going to look up at now.
Wait, just don't forget what you're going to say. We are called for your name right. You call me wrong. My name Marcel.
Marcel.
Like Mr. Granville call me Mr. Bazwell.
Marcel and Michelle.
Yes.
Thank you guys, because if I never meet Uno, this would have happened to me. So I thank you. Uno, you have to come, you know. So me have to thank Uno very much.
God send you have to come.
And I thank everyone. I mean, many more is going to come. And guys, Uno's store will never empty, and we will always in jobs, and we will never out of jobs. Thank you guys. Yes, thank you.
yes.
I not even remember what they were saying, but me have to come up with something, and something that good. Thank you.
Yes, Joy, you are very welcome, and we pray that you will the Lord will work it out for you. So you can find something that not only to make money, but something that you enjoy doing, and you can get an income from it. I know you like to sell, because you always say that, so maybe now is an opportunity to, venture into something new, do some vending and so on. We'll see how it goes.
Yes.
All right.
Me no good again, guys. Me did the work for 2 years and 7 months, and me no good again. Cousin to them, they say me not do their work good. Me I make them for untidy and fungus on their wall. After when look at my fingers them. But God is able. I leave everything in a God hand. He will work it out.
Yes, indeed. Indeed.
So who say you're not good again?
They know that, they must that. Then if they must say their floor not clean good, and their floor untidy, and fungus they over upon their wall and over upon the face base and this and that. After when we did it 2 years and 7 months, and me make number 4 persons go years, and me stay there the longest. So if me never did that do the work, how me that did it so long? They leave everything in God hand.
Yes, man. Yeah. My friend Joy. Trust God.
He will see me through, because he must see me through. I tell God, and I say, God, if you see me not did it, so don't make me did it. But don't make me come sit down and I look at my daughter. You will provide one different thing for me.
Yes.
That I can take care of my daughter. Because I don't want to go get myself entangled with no man. Because I don't want none of them. You understand? When you're not at work, see it and want to go mix up with whom I don't want to mix up with, and I don't want that to happen. So just leave everything in God hand. He will work it out.
Oh yes, He will. He will. Wow.
Amen. So I thank
right.
everyone. And I love you. I love everyone. Everyone will assist me. Thank you very much. No, we will not.
Yes,
Yes.
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 All
And I wish you all the best. Oh, me never tell you Happy New Year's.
Ah.
Happy New Year's.
Yes. Yes, Joy. Thank you, and same to you as well. All right, and Happy New Year to all our viewers and subscribers, those who have not seen us or we have not seen you since the start of the new year. All right. All right, with that said, until next time, this is where we end the video for today. Blessings to everyone, and thank you so much for making it a little everything Jamaican. Blessed love, stay safe, and bye-bye.
Bye, guys.